everyone. Yes, 2 days to go. Yes, then the year 2022 will be end. And in this daily newspaper of Friday, December the 30th, 2022, we have here two regular puzzles. And those puzzles are the Light Sudoku and the Heavy Sudoku. We have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. Yes, it's today Friday, December the 30th, 2 days to go, and we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with a 1 star. In Dutch they call it cijferblok. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve, otherwise it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Well, the first I will start is the Sudoku with with no stars. No, it's a Sudoku Light. Yes, Sudoku Light. And this will be number 5709. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Because if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 1 star, and for a 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We'll see 15 minutes if this is really a 1 star. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the middle row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the 3rd column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have a 2 in the 3rd column, 2 in the 1st column. So in the column between the 2nd column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, 2nd row, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here 6 in the 1st column, so no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 6 in this 3rd column, 6 in the 1st column. So in the column between the 2nd column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. So 1 box left now in the 2nd column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Then 3, 5, 9. Okay, then we have an 8 in the 1st row, 8 in the 2nd row. So in the 3rd row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 6 in the 3rd row, 6 in the 2nd row. So in the 1st row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the 1st row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in this row. 1st row. 5 in the 3rd row. So the row between the 2nd row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the 3rd column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in the third row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Right. Then. 2. Well. I need to think. Yeah. One in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1. Need a 1 here. Okay. 1. I'm thinking. 7, 5. 3. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the middle column. One of the missing number in the middle column is the number 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in this box. So the 3 in the middle column could be here, or there. Here, or there. We see another 3 in this row. No 3 there. Here, 3 in the middle row, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. 9, okay. Then 4. Well. 4, 2, 7. 1 and a 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 8 and 9. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 3, 8, 9. 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9. And look, we have a 3 and a 9 in this column. So no 3 and a 9 in this box. So the 3 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. 8. 8, 9, and 1. 8, 9, 1. 3 and 7. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, we have the hidden number here. This box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be a 3, can be a 4, can be 5, can be a 6, can be a 7, can be an 8, can be a 9. Yes, definitely a 1. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the first column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 3 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 3 goes there. Then 6 and a 5. 6 and a 5. 3, 7, and 2. Well, not easy for Sudoku Light. Not easy. 2, 7. 2, 7 and 5. 2, 7 and 5. Yeah. Come on. This is taking too long. 3, 3. 3. About this row. 2, 7, 8. 2. 2, 8. 2, 7. Oh wait. No. 8. 2, 7. 2, 8. 8, 7. 4, 7, 2. 4, 7, 2. Well, a 7 here. 7 should be there. 1, 1. Come on. This is taking too long. 5, 5. 7, 7. How about here? 1, 2 is missing. 2, 2. 4 is missing. 4. And 9. 9. Yeah, 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there, you see a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. The 9 in the last column, the 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. Here, 9 in the row below, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. 2 missing numbers in the middle column. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in the middle row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2, 2, 2, 7, and 4. 3 and the 1. Okay. 5 and the 2. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 2 in the middle row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2, 2. 2, 2. That means this box should be 2, yes. In this column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is the 2. Well, here can it be a 2 because we have a 2 in the last row, so no 2 there. Here can it be a 2 because we have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 in this column should be there. So 2 numbers left in the third row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 7 in the last column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 7 in this column. 7 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in the last row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 7s. Oh, not used. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Now I can count, and all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then. One box left in the last row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. Is missing 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 8. One box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. One box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. And last column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this row, so no 6 there, 6 should be there. One box left in this middle row for number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. One box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. One box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in the last column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Well, not faster, not faster. So, is this really 1 star? Well, let me give it a 2 stars. It's not easy, this one. Not easy. Not easy. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? A thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, a Sudoku heavy. Until then, bye-bye for now.